Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn some new words that ends with ag, 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 ag. Let's start with the bag. Ag, bag. Next, ag, tag. Ag, rag. Ag, sag. Ag, wag. Nag, nag. This is for flag, flag. Drag, drag. Now let's say all the words together. Bag, tag, rag, sag, wag, nag, flag, drag, drag. Now it's playtime. We are going to play a fun reading game with words that ends with ag. The game is I will point to a word and you will read it by saying the sound first, then blending them together. Let's try one together. B-A-G, bag. T-A-G, tag. Well done. Now it is your turn. You have to use phonics sound to read the word. I will point on the word and you have to read that particular word. Let's start. Very good. This is bag. Next word. Good. You did a great job. Tag, tag. Next. Very good. Ag, rag. Next. Sag, sag, sag. Next. Good. It is wag, wag. Next word is nag, nag, nag. Next. Flag. Good. Drag. Very good. This is drag. It is fantastic. Keep practicing and soon you will be reading lots of words all by yourself. Great job everyone. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.